Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I received this Android TV box which I ordered for my mother-in-law so I can put some Arabic channels on her TV, so she doesn't have to pay too much money, because she's been paying $60 a month for Arabic channels, and so I paid $62 from AliExpress for this box, and I think it should be sufficient because it's as good as my Vodafone TV box. You can see it's had quite a trip from China. Its model is A95X, and it's got a quad-core Cortex-A53 and a quad-core GPU as well, 2 gig of RAM, 16 gig drive, and it's got Wi-Fi. Let's open it up and have a look. It's 4K. So this is the box. Wow, it's very thin. It's a lot thinner than my Vodafone box. It's got USB, HDMI, AV, LAN, and this is what it looks like.
Why are you doing this?
This name I'm trying to record. Comes, it's got the Australian plug, which is good. This makes it easier, so I don't have to get an adapter. HDMI cable. There's the remote. It's a nice remote. It's also got a microphone just like my other box, and so it should be. Although it's a bit noisy, but I'll open it up and have a look. It doesn't have an Ethernet cable, but that's right, I have plenty. Okay, so this is what was rattling. It's just a USB plug, so I'm guessing it's not, the remote doesn't use Bluetooth, but it's a good sign that it has USB plug. That means it doesn't, you can actually use it without having to point it at the box. So let's plug it in and try it out. Okay, that is plugged in. It's got Android 7.1, which is like my Vodafone box. Okay, this is the initial setup. Got English, sign in, I guess can't seem to skip, so I have to sign in. Okay, signing in to my Google account, accept, location, no, doesn't really matter, no, finish. So it seems like it's the same setup as the Vodafone TV box. It's got recommendations, it's got the apps and the settings down here, so yeah, it's very similar. few applications already on it, so just have to set it up and add VSAT to it, which is the Arabic channels application, and all the IPTV like US and UK. If you want to see that, have a look at my previous video on how to set that up. Right, here's the settings. Oh, it's got Google Cast, which is cool. So it's like I can cast to it as well, so that is good. Let's see if there's any apps that need updating. There's a few, so just update all. Seems like a good box. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see my videos. I'll make a future video about this, and like and comment, ask me any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.